Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Latoya and I am back with another video. But if you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. Good content coming out. Good, frequent, quality content coming out very soon. As you can tell from the title, this is my 2020 purchases. So if you like shoes, keep watching. So to start, we're going to start with these shoes because I already showed them in one of my vlogs or videos last year. This was the first shoe I bought, I think, for the year. Oh my god, they're so messy that I can't even show you guys. They need to be cleaned. Like, I kind of made them like my everyday shoes when I want to just throw something on. But it's the Comme des Stars
What?
I'm hungry. The Comme des Stars Gar...
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The Comme des Garçons Converse. That's what they are. So they're a little dirty, you know, and they need a little bit of cleaning. Like, they just, but yeah. So these shoes. But the next one is, okay, these Jordan 3s. These Jordan 3s. I didn't even know they were dropping or anything. It wasn't like I was super excited for them. I just got them because I don't have a pair of 3s and I saw they were still available, so I just got them. I think they're the ones with the denim on it. But yeah, so these are cute, I guess. At first when I got them, I'm like, why they look funny? But I never had 3s for myself, so I've never looked at them that close. But yeah, so these ones. So the next shoe I'm going to show are these Vapor Maxes, these Flyknit Vapor Maxes. So they're like, yeah, so they're these ones. I really like Vapor Maxes in general. I wanted white or black ones, but they didn't have them. And yeah, I seen these and I just had to get them. They give me like yogurt vibes, like frozen yogurt or cotton candy, like the pastels. They're like neon but pastel at the same time. How does that work? Anyway, but yeah, so I got these and I also got these like bright pink ones the same day or like a day after. And then I just brought those back because I'm like, I cannot have 3 pairs of pink Vapor Maxes because I already have another pink one. But these ones were cute. Like, imagine, you know, with a little pop of pink or a pop of one of these colors. Like, that'd be cute. And it's not even like it's not gray or off-white. Like, this color it's a weird kind of color. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah. You can't really go wrong with Flyknits except that they're expensive for a shoe. Okay, so the next shoe I'm going to be showing you are these Dior B23 oblique sneakers. So I hate opening this thing. Oh my gosh, like damn. All this just to open it. Okay, so it comes with a dust bag, which is dusty because I traveled with it. So that's why my dust bag is dusty. Open it. So these are the B23 oblique sneakers. And yeah, so I wore them once. I don't really have anywhere to wear them, but nobody really has anywhere to go during COVID. But even if there was no COVID, I was like, where the heck am I gonna wear these? But I actually have makeup on the back of one of them, so I gotta figure out how to clean it. That one time I wore it. Yeah, so I got these and I was like, you know what, after this I'm done. I treated myself enough. But yeah, I got these. So at that point I was like, I am not spending any more money on shoes. That's it. That's all. Nothing. But then I saw these ones and I really wanted ones, so I had to get them. They're the colorway I like. You know, I like red, black, white. Those are my go-to colors for shoes. But yeah, so I got these snakeskin ones. I have wore them once as well. So they have the snake skin here. I like the colorway and stuff like that. They're high as well, so yeah, I really like these, and I think they're cute. Like, they're a good buy. So okay, and the last shoe, I didn't technically buy it, but I still spent money on it, and you're probably like, how the hell does that make sense? But I'm gonna tell you. So basically, the Go app was doing a giveaway with Anana. I don't know how to say her name, but she's an actor, and also like she has a lot of Instagram followers. They were doing a giveaway, and you just had to comment, and I won 500 USD, and that converted into like 600 something Canadian. And so I had to choose some shoes, and you know, I wasn't sure what shoes I want like to get. I didn't think of any shoes I want, because I was like, I'm done for the year, so I wasn't looking at shoes. I wasn't window shopping, I guess, but whatever. So I got these shoes, and then I had to pay for like duties and taxes, or do whatever it's called, but it was $200 for the duties. So I technically bought them, so I included them in this haul. But it's like, how you gonna, I'm not gonna win shoes something for free and then have to spend that much, but whatever. I got these. These are called the Retro 4. I don't know why I keep mentioning retro. The Air Jordan 4 Black Cat. So they're the suede ones. So I haven't had 4s. I mean, I have 4s, but I don't wear them. I have the fire red ones from years ago. Probably changing color down here. But yeah, so I got these. They look kind of big, like looking at it from here, but yeah, they are, I think they're a good buy. All black shoe, pretty neat, although like I said, it looks big. But yeah, so this was my last shoe purchase of 2020, even though I didn't purchase it. But yeah, so yeah, there's these. I think they're nice. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what kind of content you want to see. It's only going to get better. And I've said that before, but I'm going to say it again because I'm manifesting. I'm kidding, guys. But anyway, see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.